is Midwife Sally. We have cocoyam leaves. I'm going to demonstrate how I properly wash it, okay? So if you want to also copy it, so this is straight from the market. This is how they usually tie it, okay? Yes. Usually you would see some people will put the whole thing, or they will take like 3 or 4 bunch and then put in the water. It is strong, okay? So you have to wash it individually. So I have my water here, then I'll get some salt. Okay, so you can use vinegar or salt, but I'm going to use salt. Add salt. Make sure you have enough water. Okay, so I'm not going to wash all, so just for demonstration. You pick your leaves, you put it into the water individually. Yes, are you seeing it? Are you seeing it inside the water? Come in, take a closer look. Okay, so you wash it, you bring it out this way. And the proper way is not to leave it for you to cut it with the water, wet water. So you have to pat it dry with your napkin. Yeah, so after the salt has dissolved, you pat it dry. Make sure that your napkin is absorbable, cotton made, okay? To pat it dry. So if you are one person can be doing the washing while the other person pats it dry. So as I said, we are doing the best way of washing your leaves. It looks like my napkin is not. You have to wash it one after the other this way. Wash it. Don't wash it together. One after the other. Yeah, my water is already getting wet. So this is the second one. Okay, so I can try to wash all down, then later I pat it dry. But I'm not going to do all, so I'm just doing about 3 days. I'll leave the rest for Esther to continue. Okay, so when you do this and your napkin is clean, it takes away the water. And let me add that you do not cut it, okay? Do not cut your leaves before you wash it. Some people buy the cut one from the market. It is so wrong. Why is it wrong? It is wrong because once you wash it, the vitamins in it, okay, they are water soluble. Water soluble means that it can be lost through water. And so if you do that, it will lose all its nutrients. And then you will think you are eating kontomire, but you will only be eating raw fish. Okay, so to get the benefits of your vegetables, make sure you wash it before cutting it. Okay, so now that I have washed it, I have patted dry. The next thing is I'm going to cut it, and it will go straight into my stew. Okay, and one thing about it too is that don't overcook it. When you overcook it too, you lose all the nutrients that is in there. Okay, yeah. So if you have thousands of this, the best way is to allow it to wash it one after the other, and then get something cotton. You said what?
What if you have thousands?
Yeah, that is why you should be careful of where you eat. Yeah, some food is better you prepare it yourself. You don't buy it in town. Look at how this one has been. You open it all. You see they are green, there are things hiding. So you get it done quickly. Don't overcook it. When you put it on fire within 5-10 minutes, it should be okay. It should be the last thing.
Remember, you can cut that place off.
Which place?
The head. We don't usually eat that place. Yes.
You have to, as I said, no cutting. No cutting before you wash it, okay? You can only remove the one that you don't want out then. So that when you finish cutting it, you wash your hand, you cut it, it's going straight into the stew. so that there will be no vitamin seeping out. We want all. We want to have the best. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.